Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do banded high anchor curls. And for our banded high anchor curl, we're going to grab onto a band that's got a high anchor point. Step back, we're going to keep our elbows out in front of us. Put 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Fix our elbows and curl right to the face and hold it for like 2 seconds. Now there's a quick tutorial of our banded high ankle curls. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Banded high anchor curls, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.